Hello, everyone. First off, we'd just like to say a huge thank you for all the supportive voice notes you've been sending us. It has been incredible.
I was ready to go stockpiling on rice because there was a message that the mills are going to close. And then thanks to you, What's Crap on WhatsApp, I managed to get the truth that it's not going to be closed. The mills are not going to be closed. So yeah, absolutely, it is very helpful.
That one was from our listener, Mamokete. Thank you. Let's play one more.
And I also forwarded to my friends. And it's debunked a lot of nonsense that is out there. Thank you very much to the team, and we appreciate you guys.
And that was Jimmy. Okay, one more. Let's play one more.
Yes, it definitely does help to understand what's actually the facts from what's the rumors and the false information that's been making the rounds.
And that was Mohammed. And he's right. We are here to help you sort fact from fiction. And today, we're debunking 3 WhatsApp messages that have been doing the rounds.
You're listening to What's Crap on WhatsApp. We're the voice note show that debunks the crap in your WhatsApp groups. I'm Paul McNally from podcasting company Volume.
And I'm Kate Wilkinson from Africa Check, the continent's leading fact-checking organization.
We're at level 4 of lockdown as of today. But naturally, we're still recording remotely.
And this week, we're asking,
is the new coronavirus caused by 5G?
What masks should you be using and what material is best?
And does a widely spread video show street violence in South Africa during the nationwide lockdown?
Let's get started.
First up, we have a crazy conspiracy theory about the new coronavirus.
A subscriber sent us a WhatsApp message that suggests a link between the introduction of wireless network technologies and outbreaks of different diseases.
Okay, we are getting into a very special place on WhatsApp with this story. What does it say, Kate?
Okay, prepare yourself. It says, in 2003, when 3G was introduced in the world, there was an outbreak of SARS. Then in 2009, when 4G was introduced, there was a swine flu outbreak. Fast forward to 2020, when 5G was introduced, the message says that the world has now suffered from the coronavirus pandemic.
Okay, what a coincidence. What do we know for sure?
Well, firstly, the World Health Organization and health authorities around the world have made clear that viruses cannot travel on radio waves or through mobile technology. And importantly, COVID-19 is spreading in many countries where they do not have 5G mobile networks.
Yeah, I mean, in Nigeria, they haven't even fully deployed 4G yet, not to mention 5G. And they are battling the COVID-19 pandemic. The virus, in case you need to know, is spread through droplets when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or speaks.
And people can also be infected if they touch a contaminated surface and then their eyes, mouth, or nose.
So this is crap then?
Absolute crap. Please do not share this message. And if anyone sends it to you, tell them to sign up for What's Crap on WhatsApp.
Next up, we're looking at a video sent to What's Crap on WhatsApp. Let's take a listen. So in this video, we're looking at a road and there's a police officer riding a motorcycle and geez, he's just been attacked by a group of people. That's insane.
Yeah, it's pretty hectic to watch, actually. And then we start a second video and there's quite a large group of people and they're attacking and throwing stones at a South African police vehicle that's trying to reverse to get away. And the text at the beginning of all of these video clips says, "Lockdown South Africa, working well."
So they know how to do sarcasm, but are these clips showing street violence actually from the lockdown in South Africa?
So maybe some of the listeners will have guessed. The answer is no. The first clip actually shows people attacking a police officer, but it wasn't shot in South Africa. It was actually filmed in Sao Paulo, Brazil in November 2019.
And what about the second clip?
So the second clip was filmed and it was shot in Johannesburg, South Africa, but it was filmed last year in July 2019. What it shows is police officers being attacked by shop owners after they tried to confiscate fake and counterfeit goods.
So both clips in the video have been used out of context.
Yeah, they do not show events from South Africa's current lockdown.
So it's crap then.
It's crap.
Before we go, Kate, I wanted to ask you about wearing cloth masks. South Africans are being asked to wear them when they are in public from today, Friday the 1st of May.
We are calling on all South Africans to wear a face mask whenever you leave home. Our clothing and textile industry, including small businesses, are gearing up to produce these masks on a mass scale.
So what does the research say about the effectiveness of cloth masks?
So I think it's important to say from the outstart that surgical masks and N95 respirators are in short supply, and we shouldn't buy them. It's important that there is a reliable supply for medical workers. The research on cloth masks is limited, but some studies suggest that they could actually play a role in limiting the spread of the coronavirus in our communities.
So what materials actually have been tested?
So there was one study that looked at a range of materials. When they looked at surgical masks, they found that material could filter nearly 90% of virus particles. But there were other materials that also worked pretty well. If you look at a tea towel, like the one that you have in your kitchen, it could filter around 72% of virus particles. And fabric made of a cotton blend filtered around 70%.
And even a single layer of a basic cotton t-shirt, like the one I'm wearing, could filter almost 51% of the virus particles.
But it's important that if you buy a cloth mask or you make one at home, you make sure to use it properly and safely. There are a few things to remember. 1, the mask must cover both your nose and your mouth. 2, don't touch it or fiddle with it when you're wearing it. And 3, don't lower it to talk to people. It kind of defeats the point.
And it is a very good idea to have at least 2 masks, so you can wear one while the other is being washed. Now, how do I do that, by the way?
So you have a few options. If you have a washing machine, you can just pop it in there. If you don't, you can always just drop the mask into boiling water for around a minute.
And remember to wash your hands before and after removing the mask. That's all we have time for today.
Remember, What's Crap on WhatsApp is a show where you can be a winner.
That's right, 3 gigabytes of data is going to one lucky listener.
And that person is Stefan. Well done, Stefan.
Now, Kate, how can other people win this data?
Well, you can win 5 gigabytes of data by posting about the show on social media. All you need to do is tell your friends and family on Facebook or Twitter about What's Crap on WhatsApp and tell them how to sign up. Send us a screenshot and we'll add you to the lucky draw. T's and C's can be found on our website. That's whatscrap.africa.
Your friends and family can sign up for our show over WhatsApp. The number is 082 709 3527. Make sure to save us as a contact in your phone and send us a message.
That number again is 082 709 3527.
You can also find the show wherever you get your podcasts, from Apple to Spotify. Please leave us a rating if you do.
And if you enjoyed the show, please send us a mask emoji over WhatsApp to let us know. Our theme song is composed by John Bartman. I'm Kate Wilkinson.
I'm Paul McNally.
Bye.